How to unpin AI on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can unpin AI on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to unpin AI on Snapchat, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Snapchat application here. Once you launch the Snapchat application, if I come to the chat feed, you know that Snapchat released a new feature called My AI, which is going to be at the top of your screen no matter what, right? So even if you have a specific person sent you a chat or snap, it is still going to be at the top of your feed. Sometimes it's quite annoying and then you might just think about removing it. Well, to remove it, it's also very simple. Long press on it, and then here you'll find this option called chat settings. Tap on it and here you'll find clear from chat feed. Now you might not actually find this option, and also another one that says unpin conversation if you don't have Snapchat Premium. So Snapchat only currently offers this feature to Snapchat Plus users, because as you can see I have a Snapchat Plus, and as you can see I'm a member since this day. You'll be able to go ahead and then actually unpin your My AI just like this, and then when you come back to your chat page, the My AI will no longer be located there. This way you'll be able to unpin My AI on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.